Hey there, let me show you some tips and tricks in Easynote which will make you more effective when you're working. So let's get started. The first one is, if you have a lot of widgets added, you can just click here to move left and right, so you don't need to use the scroll bar down below. The second thing is that you can select here, click on the category next to it to select all the tasks within that category, so you can just quickly delete those tasks if you don't need them. Another part is, if you like to quickly edit a task name, you don't need to click actually on the icon here. Just right click in the column here and you will get the options to edit and add labels, copy, move and delete. Another part is that in Easynote we have something called nested tasks. Basically you can sort the tasks in level 1, 2 and 3. Let me show you what it actually means. So you can just drag the task like this and it will directly come underneath this task and belong to this task here. Or you can click here to collapse it. This way that you know that this is the main task, these are the tasks underneath. So you can actually create these or manage these like subtasks. Very, very useful if you have a lot of tasks that you need to organize in much more better way. You can move the columns left and right. One thing we use a lot here is to actually manage our files. So if you need to attach files to your task, simply just open your Explorer and drag the attachments directly here and they will be attached to your tasks and uploaded. There you go. And when you click here, you can actually see who has uploaded the task. Now let's go back to Kanban. Kanban is really good if you like to work in a more visual way. You can move the statuses left and right. And same thing here, if you need to edit the task quickly, you can just right click here and get the same options as in EasyView. You can take and drag images directly here to get a more visual way of working. There you go. And if you click on it, you can actually get the preview here to see what picture has been uploaded. Now we have something called 3D in Kanban. We have created this to make it much more efficient, so you don't need to close the task every single time you like to view another one. So if I like to switch back and forward, what you can do is open this task here and use your arrows on the keyboard up and down to switch between the tasks. And if you would like to jump from one category to another, in this case we don't have any tasks. Right. We can open the task here and we can just click left on our keyboard and it jumps actually to this category and showed all the tasks in this category here. Pretty nice. One of the most important parts and one of the most powerful parts on Easynote is actually our search engine. It can search for anything across all projects and it's quickly open with control space on your keyboard. Simply type anything you would like to search for and gonna search for anything you need. In this case, I'm searching for only attachments, so I can just write attachment dot and it's searching across attachments across all tasks in all projects. Really, really useful. And one more thing, we have added options so you can have every single project more visual, customized and more visual, so you can select any background you would like to in your project. These are some of the tips and tricks we have right now for Easynote, and we are adding much more features very soon. See you on easynote.com. Bye bye.